In this step, I'm going to deepen the value of the entire painting. On top of the head, I can add a little crimson with a little Windsor blue. Let me see. I'm gonna add a little that color in here. Let's see how it looks like. Maybe a little bit too dark, so I'm gonna let it go. Like that. That's fine. Okay. On this side of the head, I'm gonna have this color and showing a little tone like this. Like that. Get a little better. And I probably just use these colors. I give a little suggestions of the not a lot of that. Like that. That's good enough suggestions. I think the neck over here, it needs to be a little bit darker. I'm gonna get a little bit blue colors, just a little blue colors right here. Like that. And the same on this side. A little bit too light. Here you go. Like that. That's good. Let's take a look. I think this color can gradually fade into on the cheek, fade into over here. So I'm gonna get a little bit red color again. Just a little bit. A little bit. So I'm gonna show that actually turning. That's good. This side a little bit lighter. Good. On the other side, you can do the same. Show a little bit turning. Look again. Turn a little. I'm gonna add a little islands on this side. And doesn't need to be so bright. So I'm gonna get a little bit and get a little yellow. So have this color a little bit, but a little bit blue. A little blue. Okay, that is the color. Looks like good enough for the island. A little bit more water so they float a little bit better. That. That's good enough suggestions. Now, okay, with this color in here, I'm gonna get a little red, a little yellow. Oh, too much. I'm gonna get a little bit blue back in here. I'm gonna do some shadows on the beach. A little bit more. That's good. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of that. Good. A little bit over here. Just a little. This. That's fine. Looks like a little bit can be here. So it's give a little better suggestions. That is actually a beach. Have some footprint. And a little bit lighter. Like that. A little bit lighter of the same colors. in the distance. Maybe a little bit too close together, so I'm gonna have this gone. A little bit. I'm gonna make this a little smaller. Okay. I think this is good. I'm gonna have that. I like this soft fading effect. Maybe a little bit in the distance too. Okay, a bit. And now I'm going to use this 1-inch brush. Now I'm going to get the blue color again. So what I want to do, I'm going to smooth the texture a little bit in here by softly brush through the space. You can make the texture disappear or at least softer. I'm going to add a little bit red color, just a little red color in here. We're going to use the big brush to make the last adjustment. Like that. With this brush, it's very flexible. You can make it a big brush. You can make it look smaller brush by using the corner.
Now the painting is ready for another round of details.